If you have followed the steps outlined in this video, then your Android phone should have developer options enabled. The phone should be connected to your computer via USB, and an ADB server should be running successfully on your computer. This server connects your phone via USB. The device ID of your phone should be listed by the command ADB space devices. If it shows an empty list or says unauthorized, then disconnect the phone and terminate the ADB server on your computer by issuing a command as shown on your screen. On your phone, head to Settings, then Developer Options. Locate option Revoke USB Debugging Authorization. Reconnect your phone to the computer via USB. On your computer, start the ADB server by issuing a command as shown on your screen. You should now see a pop-up on your phone as shown on your screen. Issue command ADB space devices and verify that the device ID of your phone is now listed. I hope this video was helpful in troubleshooting Android phone connectivity issues with ADB. For some fast Kiwi Python specific debugging suggestions, watch this video.